What's going on, my tapped out family? Hey, I've noticed that we got a few new subscribers on there. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate you a lot. We are moving up slowly. Alright. It's snowing. Get the tools though. Hopefully this is everything. I don't know if I can climb my fat ass underneath here without have to jack it up. But we'll see. Damn, it is cold out here. Son of a bitch. Put it right there for now. Oh. Oh. Oh, shit. I put this truck together, guys, about... Oh, shit. About 3 years ago now. And, yeah, I put this thing together in a damn hurry. Man, it is cold. I'm really surprised it's done really good. It's been a really good little Wrangler. Now fucking TikTok has got that damn song out. Fucking, I know that truck. It ain't no stranger. I know that truck. That's a Ford fucking Ranger. Oh, but this Ford Ranger is just getting a little rusty. So, probably gonna have to get her something this year. Or, I have to do some major fucking body work to this thing. Okay. The starter's on the other side. What the fuck? I put this goddamn motor in, I can't remember the goddamn starter's at. What the fuck? Alright. Let me get some shit done and I'll be right back. Alright, guys. Let's get up underneath there and do it. Got the new starter in. Watch y'all's auto parts stores, guys. When I first called there and stuff like that, I got a, you know, kid working in there and stuff like that. Doesn't know his ass from a hole in the ground. But, you know, he's a good kid. But, you know, got a price on a starter and stuff like that. And, you know, it was $100 with like a $35 core. Well, I called back and talked to my buddy Jack. He sold me this one, I think for $78, and no core. So, yeah, you most definitely want to ask your auto parts dealer, you know, is there anything else? Because a lot of auto parts stores, that jack stand don't look like it's doing shit. But a lot of auto parts stores, they get, let's say Autolite spark plugs. So they get this, they get a, you know, certain percentage of what they sell. And, what the fuck? That looks nice and green. Let me fix that. God damn it. Ugh. I fucking... Now, when I was a kid, when I was younger and stuff like that, I'd be like, yeah, fuck it. No, not now. I never had a car drop on me, ever. But I sure as hell do not want to give something an opportunity to. So let me fix this. I'll be right back. Yeah. God damn it. Whew. That fucker's tight. I remember this dust shield that Ford kind of fucked everybody on. I know that damn thing was a fucking real pain in the ass. God damn Yeah, man, I'm frozen. My whole back and everything's fucking frozen, guys. Frozen. All right, let's climb up out of here before the fucking battery dies and see if it'll start. I hope it starts, because if it doesn't, the FGM starter, I'm gonna chunk that. Okay. Ooh. Oh wait. Let's go. Let me go ahead and drop her to the ground. Oh yeah, got oil running to one side. Goddamn, everything's cold out here. Oh, nice snowy day to be doing this shit. Oh, guys. Yeah, I started taking that starter off, thinking I had the damn camera on, and I did not. Okay. Where's the goddamn fucking key? I'll be right back, guys. All right, we got a key. Ugh. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I gotta hook the goddamn battery up. Why didn't y'all remind me of that? Y'all didn't remind me. Okay. Yeah, here comes the motherfucker. Whoa, let's go. Turn the battery up real quick. There we go. Ooh, there it is. Cool. All right. That's how it is. Later, guys.